Welcome to the onboarding video series for DataMatch Enterprise. In this video, we will see how DME's Wordsmith tool profiles all data values in a column and shows the most repetitive words and their count. And also check out how you can export your standardized data at any point of the cleansing process. So let's get started. Let's profile the company name for the most repetitive words using Wordsmith. Click on this edit icon here and it will open a new window. By default, this window will not show any values. You can enter in some delimiters here that will identify multiple words in a column, and then click on refresh. This will run the Wordsmith tool and show the most repetitive words in this column and the number of times these strings of characters appear. Moreover, you can choose to delete this word from all column values that it appears in, or replace it with another better chosen word. Finally, you can also choose to flag certain columns based on their values by specifying a new column that will show all the flagged items. Once done, you can save your Wordsmith file and reload it for another project file that contains similar words library. Close the window and it will replace the repetitive words with a new value if you defined any. And it will also show the flagged words in a new column. This can be very helpful for matching purpose later on. Finally, you can also export this standardized data file at any point of your cleansing process. This is how you can clean and standardize your data files using DME. Next up, we will show how you can create match definitions between different data files and assess the match results. So stay tuned.